Hey everyone! If you're like me and absolutely love diving into the depths to explore the underwater world, then I've got something super exciting to share with you today. Introducing the ultimate game changer in snorkeling technology, the full-face scuba diving snorkel goggles. Imagine this. You strap on your goggles and dive into crystal clear waters. You're breathing easy and your vision unobstructed. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's now a reality. First off, these aren't your ordinary snorkel goggles. We're talking about a longer snorkel tube that lets you breathe more easily than ever. No more struggling for air, just smooth, effortless breathing as you dive deeper to check out coral reefs and marine life. And the best part? You don't even need to disassemble anything. Now let's talk about capturing those incredible underwater moments. Our goggles come with an adjustable camera mount. Yeah, you heard that right. You can tweak the height and angle, ensuring you get the perfect shot every single time. Never miss capturing a moment of your sea adventure again. Next, the material premium liquid silicone. Not only is it super comfy, but it's also eco-friendly and hypoallergenic. Dive in knowing you're wearing gear that's good for you and the planet. Ever got water in your mask? Totally ruins the vibe, right? Well, say goodbye to that. Our full dry top technology keeps the water out, so you stay dry and happy throughout your dive. Breathing underwater should feel natural, and with our full face mask, it really is. Breathe through your nose or mouth, just as you would on land. No more awkward biting down on traditional mouthpieces. And the view? Our mask offers an expansive viewing area that will leave you in awe of the underwater scenery. It's like watching an HD nature documentary, but you're actually in it. Lastly, comfort is key, right? Our adjustable elastic fabric headband fits all head shapes and sizes, ensuring a snug yet comfy fit that lets you explore for hours. So are you ready to revolutionize your snorkeling experience with our full-face scuba diving snorkel goggles? Dive in and explore the underwater world like never before. Trust me, it's a game changer for any diving enthusiast. See you below the surface.